Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel and this is your 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if your sun, moon, rising, any sign is Taurus, this reading is for you. So let's begin. Your cards are already out. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and welcome. If you would like to know more about personal readings, rituals or any spiritual counseling session with me, please stay tuned till the end. I will be giving out more details about it. So let's start. In your career section, you've got the One of Spades and the Five of Suns. Okay, I do see that you are hopeful that some sort of changing coming your way. It could be that you have been waiting on a promotion or you have applied to a university, you are waiting for a response from their end, or you're just hopeful generally in your business that it will grow or start giving you that return. Now, this week is going to be wonderful for you. You are dealing with a lot of competition, that is for sure, whether you're applying for a job, higher studies, or you have a business of your own. The competition is really tough. A lot of people are applying for the same job or a university, or it could be that your product or service is very easily available in the market. So the competition is tough, it's tight. But I do see that you will be getting success in some way. The customer or the client will choose you, the university or the company will choose you. So you are winning in some way, you are getting the success, you are over excited about this opportunity also. Now, there is a caution for you that do not let this get to your head. Do not be proud or overconfident because that can hamper your success, your growth as well. Be humble no matter what big opportunity is coming your way. And I do see that you'll be very happy and out of it. A lot of people will be jealous of you, so prepare for that as well. Your own friends and family could be jealous of your success. So get ready, but it is definitely yours to win. Let's see what's happening in your love life. You've got the Abyss and the Ten of Suns. Now, I do see that you are your spiritual person, and I can say that your intuition is very, very strong. Your intuition will be telling you that something in your relationship is not right. I do see that some sort of politics is being played, uh, you know, against you. It could be your own friends or family or the friends or family of your spouse or partner. I do see that people are unnecessarily blaming you for something. It can be that they're criticizing you. It can be some sort of cruelty is happening, like something which is not supposed to happen. Like it's not your fault, but you're still being the victim of it, right? This is the time to stay strong. This is going to happen. You cannot run away from it. Also, if you have been waiting on taking some sort of action, please do, because you also need to stand up for yourself and also try to protect yourself. If you endure this difficult time this week, you will come out stronger. You will come out of this problem for sure. So if you need to speak up, speak up. Otherwise, just let it be. If you think that people are not listening to you, if a lot of people are, constantly blaming you, then you just don't say anything at all. So you have to be strong. Learn to speak up for yourself. Learn to draw boundaries. It will be very, very important this week. If you can do that, because with the Abyss, I also see that this is a person who sometimes doesn't take action. Like they know that this is right and this is wrong, but they still do not take action. Like leaving a toxic relationship, right? Like owning that you made a bad decision, or like talking about it to someone, or asking for help, anything of that sort. Please do not hesitate and take that step. That probably will even help you to spot who is actually plotting against you, or you can directly tell your spouse or partner that hey, your friends and family are giving you wrong information, right? Or they are making me look like somebody I'm not. So you'll have to open up and talk to that person of yours as well. So yes, it is going to be a tough week if you are in any sort of relationship. If even if you're single, this means that this could be your own friends and family as well. If you are in a relationship, situationship, or marriage, then this obviously you know that there are a lot of people involved, right? Personal relationships are what we are talking about here. Career wise, or job wise, or business wise, or your university student wise, it looks great. So it is a mixed week for you, definitely not a very good week for your personal life. So endure this, be strong and try to protect yourself. Other than that, we will see what happens in the next week for you. Try to refrain from any major action maybe, or if action is required, it's necessary, then take that. Okay, but you have to be strong. Strength is required from your side in dealing with the kind of people that you're dealing with this week. Like, don't get it hurt you, don't let it you know lower your confidence or self-esteem in any way. I think that's the kind of message that I'm getting, that it can really break you, right? So don't let it happen. And I do not see just one person, I see many people doing this. So you might even think that okay, that person is there, but you don't know that okay, there are four other people who are involved in this. uh, and you might even know that people who are this close to you can do that to you. So right, so be cautious, and yes, take the necessary steps. Listen to your intuition more importantly, because your higher wisdom will guide you. It will tell you who this person is, what their plan is, and how to defend yourself. So listen to your intuition. Okay. So this was your 4th week's reading. If you guys resonated with this, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what is your exact situation. I would love to read the comments. I will like them and I will try to respond to each one of you. And lastly, if you would like to book any personal reading, you have any questions on your mind, or you would like to book some easy, powerful, and cheap rituals, I do have two kinds of rituals available with me as well. I also have different kind of packages for different people. Like for singles, I have a different package. For people in career, I have a different package. For people in love, I have a different package. So you can book a package, and package comes with a free remedy also to remove any sort of blockages from that area of your life. And lastly, I do have spiritual counseling sessions available, audio video call session available as well, which is only available on Instagram, Google Meet, or Zoom. I do not have WhatsApp available on my channel. So if you think that you or any friend or family member of yours need that kind of guidance, they need to share their burdens with anyone, they do not have anyone to speak to, no trustworthy friends or family, or the secrets are so dark that you or your friend or family is afraid of them leaking out, then you can always come to me. Trust that nothing gets leaked from my channel. It's only one-on-one conversations. So for booking any kind of reading, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram, because here I'll only be meeting you weekly or once in a month. But there I'm posting stuff on a daily basis, what services I have, what discounts are going on, what to do rituals, when to do everything, like all the details. And you will also get to know the prices, very cheap prices available. Okay. So take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.